Simmer. To cook something slowly on low heat. Simmer the sauce until it gets thick. The rice is still hard, let it simmer a little longer. Blanch. To boil food briefly, then cool it in ice water. He blanched the broccoli for just 2 minutes. She blanched the tomatoes to remove the skin. Skim. To remove a layer of fat or cream from the surface of a liquid, such as soup or milk. She skimmed the oil from the soup. Please skim the foam from the boiling milk. Julienne. To cut food, especially vegetables, into thin, matchstick-like strips. He julienned the carrots for the salad. She julienned some apples for the fruit salad. Peel. Can you peel this apple for me? She is peeling a potato in the kitchen. Grate. Please grate some cheese for the pizza. I am grating some chocolate for the dessert. Stir. Please stir the rice so it doesn't stick. He is stirring his milk with a spoon. Whisk. She is whisking the eggs for breakfast. He whisked the flour and milk together. Blend. He blended some strawberries with yogurt. I am blending the tomatoes for the soup. Knead. She is kneading the dough for bread. If you knead it too much, the bread will be hard. Chop. Please chop the onions for me. He is chopping carrots for the salad. Mash. He is mashing the avocado for the toast. She mashed the potatoes with a spoon. Strain. Can you strain the tea for me, please? Please strain the pasta after boiling it. Skewer. A skewer is a thin, pointed stick, made of metal or wood. She put the chicken pieces on a skewer. Be careful, the skewer is very sharp. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a little oil or butter, on medium to high heat while stirring. Please sauté the vegetables in butter. I'll sauté some onions for the soup. Garnish. To put small things like herbs, fruits, or spices on food to make it look nice and taste better. He garnished the cake with cherries. She garnished the soup with fresh coriander. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some salt on your fries. I sprinkled some lemon juice on the fish. Pour. Please pour some water into my glass. The waiter poured mango juice into the glass. Grill. I will grill some chicken for dinner. She grilled some fish for dinner. Steam. I love steamed corn with butter. He is steaming some potatoes for the soup.